Alright, so today we learned converting between exponentials and logarithms, so we are going to practice. So the first part says to convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out what does my equation equal. So 3 squared equals 9. Alright, and then I'm going to write it as a log. So log, the big number with the exponent is my base, so it becomes my small base. The answer is what I'm taking the log of, and the exponent becomes my answer. So log base 3 of 9 equals 2. 10 cubed is 1,000, so log base 10 of 1,000 equals 3. 2 to the 5th is 32, so log base 2 of 32 equals 5. So it's really just understanding the pattern. 8 to the 0 power is 1, so log base 8 of 1 equals 0. 5 to the 4th is 625, so log base 5 of 625 equals 4. Now, when we are rewriting from a log to an exponential, we get to crisscross. It helps make a little bit more sense. My little base becomes my big number. My answer becomes my exponent. And my big number becomes my answer. Okay, so the little one always comes down. These two crisscross, so 2 squared equals 4. Straight down, crisscross. 3 cubed equals 27. Straight down, crisscross, 6 squared is 36. Now I'm evaluating without using a calculator. I find the easiest way to do this is to write it as an exponential, and it helps me figure out the answer. So the 10 comes straight down. The 100 becomes my answer. So I'm missing the exponent. 10 to what power is 100? That power is 2. So my 8 comes straight down. 8 to some power equals 64. And if it helps you be able to crisscross it, you can set it equal to the x so that you can crisscross. 8 to what power is 64? That would be the second power, because 8 times 8 is 64. If you want to set it equal to x so that I can crisscross, bring down the 3. Crisscross, 3 to the x power is 9. 3 squared is 9, so squared equals 2. Set it equal to x. 7 to the x power equals 7, so x equals 1. Anything to the first power is itself. Set it equal to x. Bring down the 4, crisscross, so 4 to the x power is 64. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64, so x is 3. Alright, the next one tells me to evaluate using the calculator. Remember, the log button is right next to the number 7, so log 18. And I'm going to round to the nearest thousandths, so tenths, hundredths, thousandths means 3 numbers after the decimal place. So it's equal to 1.255. Log 60 equals 1.778. And log 6.65 equals 0.823, because I need to round up my third place. Now we're going to simplify the expression. Remember, when your little number and your big number match, they cancel each other out. They become a 1 and they go away. So this just equals the exponent 3x. Now over here, I have log base 2 of 8 2 and 8 don't match, but I can make them match. 8 is the same as 2 to the third power. So I'm going to replace that. So it's log little 2, 2 to the 3, and I keep the x is already in the exponent, so it stays in the exponent. So now I have log base 2 of 2 to the 3x power. And now that these match, they cancel, and my answer is 3x. Over here, my big number and my log base match. It doesn't matter that the big number is in front instead of over to the side. They still cancel, and it equals 2x.